The Alaterra Gold Serum is a special product. A highly concentrated moisturizer, we're using the best from cutting-edge anti-aging skin science, along with organic botanicals. Bottled in Marron glass, this formula is 95% certified organic, with botanicals like sandalwood, frankincense, and we round it out with active ingredients like copper peptide, CoQ10, astaxanthin, marine collagen, and plant-derived vitamin A that we source from France, which is alfalfa-derived, in a very potent retinol alternative.
I've just been incredibly impressed and thankful with the change in the texture of my skin. It just has calmed down so much and it's so much smoother. I really couldn't recommend all of the products enough.
I was in the personal care contract manufacturing business for many years, making products for consumer product companies. So this is the Gold Serum, our favorite product. It's got a lot of healing properties. It's probably the best thing I've ever put on my skin. That's saying a lot.